Hello again, continuing with our lesson about the one-syllable English words with the O sound. Let's move to group 3, the OA middle spelling words. Let's say aloud the following words. Let's start, please. Boat, B, O. The A is a silent letter. T, boat. Coat, K, O. T, coat. Goat, G, O. T, goat. Road, R, O. D, road. Soap, S, O. P, soap. Toast, T, O, S, T, toast. Oak, O, K, oak. Soak, S, O, K, soak. Now let's move to group 4 about the words with the O, W ending spelling. Let's start, please. Show, Sh, O, show. The W is a silent letter. Slow, S, L, O, slow. Snow, S, N, O, snow. Grow, G, R, O, grow. Blow, B, L, O, blow. Throw, Th, R, O, throw. Crow, K, R, O, crow.